Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Today I would like to talk about something from linguistics called morphemic cutting analysis, or more formally, immediate constituent analysis. Maybe this sounds a bit complicated at first, but actually it's quite simple once we break it down. So, what is immediate constituent analysis? Basically, I see analysis is a method used in linguistics to understand the structure of words by breaking them down step by step into smaller and smaller parts. Sederhananya, metode ini membantu kita membagi sebuah kata menjadi bagian-bagian kecil sampai kita menemukan unit terkecil yang disebut morfem. And why is this important? Because by doing this, we don't just see the word, we understand how the word is built and how each part contributes to its meaning. The process is quite systematic. First, we divide a word into two main parts, then we continue breaking each part step by step until we reach the smallest units. Intinya, kita memotong kata dari bentuk paling besar ke bagian paling kecil secara bertahap. And this process helps us see relationship between each part of the word. Now, let's look at some examples. The first word is dictatorialness. At first glance, this word looks long and complex. But if we break it down step by step, it becomes much clearer. We start with dictator. Then it becomes dictatorial by add the -al, and finally being dictatorialness with add the -ness. Di sini kita bisa melihat bagaimana suffix seperti -al dan -ness mengubah bentuk kata sekaligus maknanya. So, instead of just memorizing the word, we actually understand how it grows. Bisa dilihat dari dictator. Di sini dia sebagai noun. Setelah dia menjadi dictatorial, dia menjadi adjective, and then menjadi dictatorialness, dia menjadi noun lagi. Let's move to the next example. Memorizations. The word comes from memorize, then becomes memorization, and finally memorizations. Here, the suffix tion changes a verb into noun, and the s shows that it is plural. Jadi, satu kata bisa berubah fungsi hanya dengan menambahkan sedikit bagian di belakangnya. Next, we have establishment. This one comes from the word establish, and then we add the suffix -ment. And just like that, a verb becomes noun. Simple but very powerful. Maknanya jadi berubah. Now, let's look at unforgettable. This word comes from forget. Forget is verb. And then we add the prefix un. And this small prefix completely change the meaning from something neutral into something negative, atau tidak bisa dilupakan. This shows how even a small part can have a big impact. And the last is internationality. This is a great example of a word that grows step by step. We start with nation, then national, then international, and finally internationality. Di sini kita bisa lihat bagaimana kombinasi prefix dan suffix membuat makna kata menjadi semakin kompleks. Dari yang awalnya nation adalah noun, menjadi national, berubah menjadi adjective, lalu berubah menjadi internasional, tetap bersifat adjective, lalu dia menjadi internationality, kembali menjadi noun. Before we finish, let's quickly reflect. Have you ever realized that one word can actually contain so many layers of meaning? And that's exactly what IC analysis helps us see. So, in conclusion, immediate constituent analysis helps us understand word structure by breaking words down into smaller parts step by step. Dengan metode ini, kita bisa lihat bagaimana setiap afiks, baik prefix maupun suffix, mempengaruhi makna dan juga fungsi kata. So, this analysis is not only about structure, but also about understanding how words are formed in a clear and systematic way. Alright, that's all from me. Thank you very much for your attention. And if you have any question, feel free to ask in commenter column. Thank you and see you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.